Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. So let's get started. On the passenger side, first thing we gotta do is to come underneath the glove box and remove this cover right here, all this cover. We're gonna use a T25 torque wrench. Let's do this one. I have no space for my screwdriver, so I gotta do it by hand, just like this. And one more that is hidden right here. So now let's take off. Okay, just came out. We gotta disconnect this plug because these are the courtesy lights. Perfect. Now we can remove the glove box. Take off this bolt right here and this other one right here. To take off this one, we're gonna use an hexagonal number 5. Now let's open the glove box. Let's remove these 3 bolts right here. So let's grab it from the side right here and pull it. Same on this side, grab it from the side, pull it. I just took it off. However, I took off the light as well, which is not what I was supposed to do. Right here underneath, just disconnect this cable. And this one is the light cable. I disconnected as well. Alright, just push it like this. Push the clip all the way in and then slide it all the way up. Bring this back. There we go. Just like this. So now we can just connect this cable and the light again. Alright, so we're gonna take off this kind of a foam air duct just by pulling it off, just like this. But here, you gotta take off this pin that is holding it here from underneath. Perfect. So let's take it out. This is it. The only thing that is now interfering with the door is this hose right here. So this literally comes out just by pulling it out. Just like this. Wear a glove so you don't get your hand scratched. Take off this bracket right here. And I'm gonna put it right there for the moment. Okay, let's take the screwdriver and let's remove this tiny screw right here. Finally, to remove this door, we gotta come here and lift this clip right here. This leg. Okay. Coming out. It's quite filthy. Yeah, it was time to replace it. Let's get the new one. This is the filter. Gotta go like this. This is the carbon filter, activated carbon. This is the airflow direction. So I'm gonna insert it just like this. So now let's put back the door. Now let's put back this tiny bolt. So now let's put back the hose clamp. Let's put back this hose. Just inserted the clamp. Make sure these cables pass right here. Make sure to put the hose where it belongs to. Make sure to insert it all the way in. So now let's put back the vent, just like this. First of all, let's click it right here. So now let's put back the glove box. Here we have the glove box. Put it back. First of all, connect the cables. This one goes right here. and this one goes up here. Perfect. Perfect, the light is working. Let's put back the bolts. Put back this one. So now let's put back this one, the big one. And now let's put back the underneath cover. Just make sure to connect it beforehand. Sort it just like this. Click it. This corner goes first. Make sure to insert that corner all the way in. Alright guys, we finished, and this is how you change the cabin air filter in this Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.